Hello interweb, Rob from PPFXC here with Wizard World's October 2015's Comic-Con box number 6. This subscription box has quickly jumped to one of my top 3 favorites, and I can't wait to see what they have curated for us this time around. I'll leave everything you need to know about this subscription service in the description below, and as always I'll be including a quick breakdown at the end of this video for those curious about the cost and value of what we're about to discover in this month's box. The theme for this month's Comic-Con box is The Dark Nightmare, where they have already hinted there'll be again a very limited edition DC comic reprint. So let's discover what that is, along with everything else in Comic-Con's Box 6 box. I think this new line of The Nightmare Before Christmas Disney Funko Mopies plushes are pretty cool. The bat signal that this projector light emits is pretty solid. I suppose now all that's left is to wait for the Dark Knight to arrive. Have to admit, I've only seen the second movie of the Sharknado trilogy. Looks like I'll now get the chance to catch up on the original. Here's an interesting fact. When Funko first introduced this reaction horror classic series, they left out a pretty substantial character. This year, they corrected that omission and added Leatherface to the collection. While I did not get the new Leatherface figure, this Eric Draven figure will do just fine. In line with Comic-Con's tradition of offering very limited edition reprints of classic covers, they have included in this month's box their own variant cover of the original 1959 series, The Brave and the Bold, Volume 1, number 25. What makes this cover unique is it's the first time the world was introduced to the original Silver Era version of the Suicide Squad. With the recent passing of horror legend Wes Craven, Comic-Con Box has sent us artist Rob Pryor's memorial Craven Forever print. All I have to say about artist Jerry Pesky's Here's Animal print is it brings a huge smile to my face every time I see it. Well, that's it for this month's box, and in my personal opinion, this box again more than met my expectations. I was expecting quality art prints and a rare variant cover comic, which Comic-Con Box totally delivered on again. Next month's theme is Survivor, and Comic-Con Box has already revealed that the variant cover comic will be Supergirl #1. What did you think about this month's The Dark Nightmare themed Comic-Con Box? Well, I hope you found this month's review useful, and as promised, here's a breakdown of what we found in the box. The prices displayed are estimates based on what we were able to find online the day of this review. As always, a quick shout out of thanks to everyone that has subscribed, commented, or given us a thumbs up for any of our videos. I really enjoy the interaction and look forward to reading what you thought about this month's box in the comments below. Check out the information annotation on the top right of your screen for more of our videos and reviews. Until next time, happy collecting everyone from PPFXC.